I'm about to burn my CNC to the ground with this.
Are you sure this is gonna work?
It'll be fine. There he is, IDC Man, the CNC superhero.
Fire! Somebody's drilling on their CNC router with a downcut bit.
Guilty, but we did it on purpose.
You were going to burn your CNC router down on purpose?
Well, we needed to get your attention somehow.
For what?
This month is IDC Woodcraft's birthday.
You remembered my birthday?
Yeah, February this month, IDC Woodcraft is turning 5 years old.
We need to celebrate. But wait, everybody should benefit from a birthday. What should we do?
Oh, I know. Let's do 15% off at idcwoodcraft.com.
Yeah, all month long.
I like it. Let's do it. I smell another CNC router owner starting to drill a downcut bit. I gotta go.
Wait. Don't forget your cake.
Here, make a wish.
Okay, gotta go.
Wait. What did you wish for?
I wish that every new CNC router owner would stop buying cheap CNC router bits and start buying the quality bits.
That's why they should get their bits from idcwoodcraft.com.
Exactly.
Well, I have to go save a CNC router owner.
Uh-oh.
He dropped the cake.
He's still so amazing, though.
And another amazing thing is you can celebrate with us all month long with 15% off all IDC Woodcraft products at idcwoodcraft.com. All you have to do is follow the link below to get your discount.